Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Barium and its studies. So barium studies, first we are looking at the barium swallow. So here what is meant by the barium swallow? So barium swallow, it is used to assess the pharynx, esophagus as well as the stomach. So pharynx, esophagus as well as the stomach. So here there is something known as the barium paste which is used. The barium paste is what is used here. And next is we look at the barium meal. So first was the barium swallow, then comes the barium meal. So barium meal, it is used to assess the stomach and the duodenum. So stomach as well as the duodenum. And in 95% cases the barium sulfate is used. So 95% of the cases the barium sulfate is the one which is used. Next is the barium meal follow through. Next comes the barium meal, and we are looking at the follow through. So under the barium meal follow through, it is used to assess the small intestine. So it is used to assess the small intestine, and here about 50% of the barium sulfate is used. So 50% of the BaSO4, that is the barium sulfate, is the one which is used. Lastly, we will look at the barium enema. So barium enema, it stands for the use of the to assess the large intestine. So it is used to assess the large intestine, and it amounts up to 25% of the barium sulfate. So what we are noticing is, as we progressed, the quantity it decreases. The barium meal, it had 95%, meal follow through had about 50%, and lastly the enema, it had about 25%. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.